got these 3.5-inch flower shaped ceramic sauce dishes. I'm instantly, these stand out to me as both pretty and practical. I like them because they're small, 3.5 inches in diameter, delicate looking little saucers, just enough charm to really dress up dipping sauces or snacks without like taking over your table. Why I chose these is, number one, their charming design. I like the flower shape with the fancy glaze finish. These make them look like little art pieces on the table. I love the blue color. The multi-use at 3.5 inches is endless. These are perfect for like soy sauce, condiments, tiny snacks, or toppings. You could even use one on your dresser to put like your ring in or earrings. And these are durable porcelain that they're made out of. So you can microwave it, put it in the oven, the freezer, or the dishwasher. So these aren't just pretty, they're tough enough for everyday use. Would I buy them again? Absolutely. I think they're functional and they're stylish. A small detail that does add a big touch of elegance to any table.